What's up guys, Jonathan here, and I'm out here in the beautiful Philippines, and in today's video I want to talk about the best online business to start in 2019. But first I want to talk about why you should start an online business. As you know, it's late 2018, 2019 is coming up, and more people are buying things online than ever before. E-commerce is growing by I think 20% every year, and this means a huge opportunity to capitalize on. And if you build an online business, if you build a passive income, a system online that you can work on wherever you are in the world, that gives you like location freedom. And also if you set up a system that runs for you 24/7, that means you can free your time from money, and that's the ultimate freedom. So that's why I think that everybody should start an online business. And in this video I'm going to talk about the best online businesses to start in 2019, the pros and cons with each and every one of these different ones, and what I would personally recommend. So let's get started. So the first online business model is the Amazon FBA, and if you know, Amazon is the largest online store in the world, and there's where people go to buy everything from diapers to TVs. Everything is on Amazon, and you can actually sell there yourself. So what you do is you go on there, you look for products that have a high demand but are not very competitive. There's not a lot of people selling them, and you look for ways to add value to that product or solve a problem with the product that the competitors are selling. And then you go and find the same product on Alibaba, which is a Chinese supplier website, and you go there and you find the same product, and you have these suppliers send your product to an Amazon warehouse. There are warehouses all over the US and I think Canada and all these countries, these large countries. And what you do is you have these suppliers send these your product to these warehouses, and once the products come into the warehouse, they're gonna take care of everything. They're gonna store it, they're gonna ship it, they're gonna fulfill everything for you, so you don't have to do anything. You don't even have to see the product. All you have to do is put up a listing on Amazon of your product you're selling and try to rank it and get sales. Now here's some pros and cons with Amazon FBA. The pros are that you don't have to see the product, you don't have to store it, you don't have to do anything, you don't have to ship it. Once it's up on Amazon and it's ranking, the sales is gonna come automatically. You don't have to run like Facebook ads and all that. So that's one pro. And some cons with Amazon FBA is that it's pretty competitive, especially in the US market. But if you can find a way to add value to a product you're gonna be selling. Another thing is that you have to order in bulk. So when you contact the Chinese supplier, you have to order like a first test order of say 300 test units. You have to come up with the first initial investment, which is going to be a couple $1,000s to be real, and chances are that your first product is going to fail because you're just getting started, you're new, you don't really know what you're doing. But if you keep pushing through the first initial failures and you keep improving on your product, Amazon FBA is one of the best ways to start an online business in 2019. Now the second business that you can start is a Shopify store. And what a Shopify store is, basically Shopify is an app, like it's a software that you use to create a website. There you can sell watches, there you can sell t-shirts, whatever you want. And it's actually what the biggest brands in the world use. Brands like Movement watches, for example. And what you do is you look for products that you want to sell. Like for example, you want to sell wooden watches, so you find a supplier in China, and what you do is you set up a Shopify store, and you don't have to order any bulk. It's drop shipping. So when someone orders from your store, you order from your supplier in China, and it ships directly to your customers. You don't have to order a huge bulk order and spend a lot of money. So that's a huge pro with a Shopify store. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get it started, but that means that the barriers to enter are very low, so that's gonna automatically draw a lot of competition. And another thing, if you have a Shopify store, is that you have to market it. You have to know how to run Facebook ads and Instagram ads, and you really have to get your product out there, because if you don't know how to market it, nobody's gonna buy from you. It's not like Amazon, where as if your product is ranking, you're gonna get organic sales without the marketed. And the third business model is affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing, basically you're selling someone else's product. So let's say for example somebody's selling a digital course, and if somebody signs up through your affiliate link, you're getting a commission on that, which normally ranges somewhere between 20 to 40%. So let's say if somebody has a course that they sell for $500, and when they buy through your affiliate link. You can have an affiliate link, so when someone presses your link, the link is going to be tracked, so they can see that they have clicked on your link, and that way you get a commission on that. Basically it's the same as real estate, so you're just referring something, and when someone buys, you get a commission out of it. It's very good because you don't have to have your own product. You just have to refer the customers to the seller and get a commission on the sale. Now a con with affiliate marketing is that it doesn't work very well if you don't have a established personal brand brand. You have a following of people who trust you, who like you, and if you refer something, they're gonna buy, because that's the main thing. People must know you, people must like you, and then they must trust you in order to buy from you. So it's kind of hard to do affiliate marketing if you don't have a personal brand, and if you're not comfortable with exposing yourself, then affiliate marketing might be pretty hard for you. But other than that, it's a great way to earn money, because you don't have to have your own product, you don't have to make anything, you just have to refer people to other people's product and get a commission on the sale. So it's pretty brilliant, actually. So these are the 3 best online businesses you can start in 2019. Personally, I've done them all 3, and my recommendation, if you are starting out and you have a bit of starting capital, I would absolutely start with Amazon FBA, because it's one of the lowest hanging fruit right now. And I would highly recommend that you take a course on how to sell on Amazon, because it's the quickest way and the easiest way to avoid all the mistakes and failures that you're gonna do, and it's the fastest way for you to become successful on Amazon. So find a course on how to sell on Amazon. I would recommend my friend Dan Vasiliev. He has the best course on how to sell on Amazon. He just made a huge course update, so he with over 100 videos in his course. So I can highly recommend you guys to take that course if you want to start selling on Amazon. The links for his course are going to be in the description down below. So if you're ready to change your life, to start an online business that will give you passive income so that you can do the things you really love, like traveling. I'm currently in the Philippines, and I've been here for several days, and we're actually flying to Hawaii tomorrow, and then we're gonna be back in Canada in a week or so. So building an online business in 2019 is what I would recommend everyone to do, because it will free your time, it will give you passive income, and it will help you live your best life. So check out his course, it's amazing. It's in a link in the description down below. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any comments or anything you want to ask me. You can go ahead and comment down below. Also follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, the links are down below. And subscribe to the channel for more amazing content coming on how to build an online business, how to build your dream body, and how to live the best life. So stay tuned for more content, and see you next time. Peace.